everyone, Asterisk here and welcome to Whacker Unabridged. When you think of roguelike games, the usual names like Hades, Dead Cells, and even The Binding of Isaac comes to mind. Now imagine the thrill of uncertainty and discovery, the constant test of your skills and adaptability, all rolled into one epic adventure. Enter Acheron's Battle Demo, a roguelike card-based real-time strategy game that offers challenging encounters, strategic deck building, and replayability. In the game, you play as an avatar and have the opportunity to choose from 3 different classes. Additionally, you'll have pet-like companions called apostles that you gain during the game's progression. Although the selection of classes and apostles feels limited, it's essential to remember that the game is still in development. The controls are straightforward and easy to grasp. Players are required to use both keyboard and mouse. Managing resources such as mana for using cards and energy for unit-exclusive abilities adds depth to the experience. However, the semi-AA apostle sometimes makes questionable decisions, leading to moments of frustration rather than excitement. The card-based battle system encourages players to make split-second decisions on which card to use and whom to use it on, while avoiding enemy attacks and managing resources all at the same time. While the combat mechanics are simple enough, they occasionally lack the smoothness and responsiveness that players expect. Deck building. Your deck is composed of skill cards from the Avatar and the Apostles. Avatars have access to a skill tree where you can add and remove skill points at any time. Each unit can bring up to 3 skill cards into battle, resulting in up to a 15-card deck. The demo gives you access to 6 Apostles of different job classes, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. However, the randomized skill cards for Apostles lack synergy, resulting in a lack of strategic depth and creativity in building your deck. This is because Apostles have 3 randomized skill cards from a pool of 8. That means there are 56 skill cards combinations per Apostle. Though the game offers players dynamic card combos and synergies, where discarding cards boosts another card's effects, chaining cards to maximize damage output, or even creating powerful defensive strategies, still ends up making players follow established decks, which is not even a deck, it's just one deck. Dungeon progression. A full dungeon run is called a cycle, and each cycle has 3 depths, each consisting of a set of generated dungeon stages. Players can navigate through the dungeon by clearing battles or entering non-battle stages such as shops, campfires, or event stages, which offer various encounters, choices, and opportunities for unique rewards or consequences. Deciding which encounter and rewards to prioritize is essential for building a strong team and surviving the challenges ahead. Defeating the Depth 3 boss is the primary objective of each cycle. While Acheron's dungeon progression is fun at first, the stages feels repetitive later on, and the gap between the player's level growth and the enemy's strength can be overwhelming to some. Moreover, the choices in event stages leaves us wanting for more meaningful decisions. Apostle and Artifact Upgrades. In Acheron, you can improve your playthrough by upgrading your apostles and artifacts. Apostles and artifacts can be earned by clearing dungeons, rewards from event stages, or even purchase from the item shop. However, apostle upgrades do not significantly help as they get all one hit later on. Furthermore, despite the plethora of artifacts to choose from, only a few can genuinely help you progress, leading to frustration and less complexity in building strategies. Of course, it's not all bad. A unique aspect of Acheron is the alignment system, where you can change an artifact's alignment to good or evil during event stages, affecting its buff, debuff, or even overall use. While this adds another layer of variety, the limited impact of artifacts diminishes the fun of the experimentation of builds. Art and sound design. The art and sound design add a certain charm to the experience with vibrant and colorful visuals and explosive skill effects. The hand-painted cutscenes evoke wonder and nostalgia, making battles intense and adrenaline bumping. The user interface sounds are clear, ensuring smooth navigation and interaction. While Acheron may have its issues, it undeniably holds potential. With further development and refinement, it could address the current shortcomings and deliver a more polished and engaging gameplay experience. The combination of roguelike elements with real-time strategy and card-based mechanics could be a unique selling point if executed properly. Imagine a game that successfully blends the thrill of roguelike exploration with the tactical depth of card-based gameplay. That would be something to look forward to. So while Ackroyd may not be there yet, it's worth keeping an eye on its progress. With dedication and improvements, the game could transform into a true gem among both roguelike and real-time strategy games. In conclusion, Acheron currently falls short of its ambitions, but that doesn't mean it's a lost cause. Who knows, it might just surprise us in the future.